Children, it is a activity page 28 for day 27 and it is about the sphere. The lateral surface area of sphere. You know that sphere is having only curved surface area. Its lateral surface area is nothing but curved surface area, and it is also a total surface area. All are same here. Lateral surface area of a sphere is nothing but curved surface area of a sphere, and also it is total surface area of a sphere. And LSA is 4a square, TSA is also 4a square. So LSA, CSA and TSA of sphere are same. Then about the volume of a sphere. Then what is the formula to find the volume of a sphere? Volume of a sphere equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now you consider the sphere of some radius and find its surface area, LSA, TSA, which is nothing but surface area, and also volume of a sphere. Then what is the formula for the surface area of a sphere? That is 4 pi r square cm square. Volume of a sphere is V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube cm cube. Write the formula for SA. SA equals what? 4 pi r square. Then you write 4 into pi value is 22 by 7. R is 2. So you can write it as 2 into 2. Or directly you can write 2 square. Then it equals 4 into 22 is 88 into 2 square is 4 by 7. That equals 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32 plus 3 35 by 7. Then if you divide 352 by 7. 352 by 7. You divide 352 by 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. And you take that 2 down, and you know that 2 is smaller than 7, then you write 0, then you take 0 here and point here. 7 2s are 14, then 6, then 7 8s are 56, again 4 is remaining. 7 4s are 7 5s are 35, you take 7 5s are 35. Like this way, again it becomes 50, 7 7s are 49. Then you can take approximately 50.286. You can take 286 cm square. 286 cm square. That is the surface area of the sphere of radius 2 cm. Now to get the volume of a sphere, write the formula for the volume of the sphere. V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. That equals 4 by 3. What is the value of pi? Pi value is 22 by 7. R is here 2 cube. Then it is 4 into 22 is 88. 88 by 21 into 8. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Now you multiply these two. Then 8 8s are 64. Write 4. 8 8 64 plus 8 8 64 plus 6 7. 704 by 21. Then you divide 704 by 21. 21 3s are 63. Again 7 is remaining. 7 4. Again 21 3s are. That becomes 363 only. And next you will get 11. Take 0 and put point here. And you will get 5. 5 2s are 10. Here 5 is remaining. 5 0. And you will get 2s are. So approximately you will get 33.52 cm cube. 33.52 cm cube. That is the approximate value of the sphere with radius 2 cm. With radius 2 cm. Then next sphere, the radius is 3 cm. Here you write 3 cm. Write the formula for the surface area and calculate the surface area, and also write the formula for the volume of the sphere and calculate the volume. Next sphere, here the radius is 4 cm. You write here 4 cm. Write the formula for the surface area of the sphere and calculate the surface area, and also write the formula for the volume of a sphere and calculate the volume. Then you take last one. Here r equals 5. You write 5 here. Write the formula for the surface area and calculate the surface area, and also write the formula for the volume of the sphere and calculate volume. Now about the hemisphere. Then hemisphere is having lateral surface area, which is also called the curved surface area, and it is having total surface area and volume. LSA CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, and TSA of hemisphere is 3 pi r square, and volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Because you know that hemisphere is half of the sphere. If a sphere is divided into two equal parts, each part is called hemisphere. Here you observe, and the sphere is having, consider this is the base and this is the curved surface. So it is having curved surface area, which is the lateral surface area, and also total surface area. Then the lateral surface area is 2 pi r square, and area of the base is added to get the total surface area. It becomes 3 pi r square, and the volume of the hemisphere is half of the volume of the sphere of same radius, so it is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now you take the first one for the hemisphere 2 cm. You take the radius 2 cm, and here we have to calculate CSA, TSA and volume, and write the formula for CSA. CSA equals 2 pi r square. Then you write 2 into 22 by 7, r square is 2 square, that equals 2 into 22 is 44 into 4 by 7. Then it becomes 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 176 by 7. Then that equals, if you divide 176 by 7, you will get 7 2s are 14, 3 is remaining. Then that becomes 36. 7 5s are 35. 1 is there. Take 0 and put point. 7 1s are 7. Again 3, 3 0, 7 4s are approximately 25.14 cm square is the CSA of the hemisphere. Next you take TSA. Then you take TSA. TSA equals 3 pi r square. Then you write 3 into 22 by 7 into r is 2. Write 2 square. That equals 22 3s are 66 into 4 by 7. That equals 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24 plus 2, 26 by 7. Divide 264 by 7. You will get 7 3s are 21. 5 4 7 7s are 49. 5 right, 50 means 37 point, again 7 49 approximately you can write, that is equals to 37.7 cm square. 37.7 cm square, that is the TSA of the hemisphere. Next you take the volume. Write the formula for volume. Volume equals 2 by 3 pi r cube. That equals 2 by 3 into 22 by 7, r cube is 2 cube. That equals 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 8. That equals 44 into 8. 44 into 8 by 21, you will get 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32 plus 3, 35 by 21. Next you take 352 by 21, 21 1s are 21, 5 minus 1 4, 1 4, 2 you take. Then 7s becomes more, so you take 6. Then it is 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Here you will get 16, 1 0. Then you can take point here. 8s becomes more, so you take 7s, 7, 147. Then you will get 3 here. 5 minus 1 4, 1 3. Then you can have here also 6 you can have. Approximately you can write 16.76 cm cube. 16.76 cm cube is the approximate volume of the hemisphere with 2 cm radius. Similarly, find the LSA, TSA and volume of the hemisphere of the radius 3 cm. Here you write 3 cm, that is the radius of the hemisphere. Here you write the formula for the CSA and formula for the TSA, formula for the volume, and calculate CSA, TSA and volume of the hemisphere. Next one again same here, 2 cm is there. Diameter is 2 cm here, not radius. In that case, what is radius? That is half of the diameter. Full this diameter is given. So R what you have to take? R becomes 2 by 2, which is 1. Here you take 1 centimeter. That is R is 1 centimeter. Similarly, write the formula for CSA and get CSA. Write the formula for TSA and find TSA, and also find volume by using the formula for volume. Then the next one, here the diameter is 10 centimeter. Half of the diameter, that is the radius, is here 5 centimeter. R equals here 5 centimeter. 10 by 2. Here you write 5 centimeter. Write the formula for CSA, TSA and volume and calculate each.